walking into 2021, if you can make sure that you can be like a superhero, so no matter what hits you, you've got like armor on. And the one way to get that armor on is by making sure that you play life at energy level 10. And each and every one of you, you have a purpose, you have a goal, you have a dream. And my question is, what are you willing to go through to get there? Most people, they will set their goals for 2021. They'll set these great goals, and most of them will come from other people. Oh, guy down the road is losing 20 pounds and 20K, my mate's doing this, and I end up doing the same thing. You have a plan, but there's no real drive. Mike Tyson said a great thing once. He doesn't normally say great things, but Mike Tyson did say a great thing once. And he said, everyone's got a plan until they get punched in the teeth, and then that plan goes away. Okay, this is $10, right? But just imagine this was 10 pounds. I went into a school and then there were like 300 kids in the audience. And I just stood at the front. My opening line was, who wants 10 quid? Come and get it. Now, most people sat there and thought there's got to be a catch. Nothing's for free in life, right? Nothing's for free. Hardly anyone stood up. One kid got up and he came and he took the 10 pounds. I said, there you go. And he went back and everyone's like, oh, seriously? Right? And then he said, and then everyone's giving him smiles. Then I did the same thing again. And guess what happened this time? Everyone tried to get up, right? But the person who made it first, I said, no. I said, I want to ask you some questions. And he looked around and he laughed at everyone, thinking, look, it's not good. And I said, the same thing can't happen twice, right? The first guy, he had the balls to come up and get it. Now it's different. And I said to you, why do you want this? Why do you want this 10 pounds, right? And he said, it's 10 pounds. I can do a lot with it. And I said, okay, cool. And then I did this, right? And I folded it into little pieces. And I said, do you still want the 10 pounds? And he said, yes. And I said, why? He said, it's 10 pounds, right? It can buy me a lot. I said, okay. I picked up the same 10 pounds, which was now screwed up like this, and I rubbed it on the floor and I got it all dirty. And I said, do you still want this 10 pounds? He said, yes. And I said, why? Because it's 10 pounds. I said, okay, cool. And the same dirty 10 pounds now, which has been like folded up many times, I put under my thumb and I didn't want to step on it because it's money, it's not respectful, but I got my thumb and I went like that. And I said, do you still want it? And he said, yes. And I said, why? He said, it's 10 pounds. And do you know what I said to them? I said that life's like that. Like imagine you were this 10 pounds, right? Life's gonna throw you against the floor. It's gonna put you in the mud. It'll probably break your teeth. It's gonna give you a tough time. But just like this 10 pounds was still worth 10 pounds, you also retain your value. And most people, when they go through these ups and downs in life, they lose their value. And that's where people fall out. That's where people come off track. That's where people don't make it. That if you want this 1% life, which is say the life on your terms, where you can earn and look after your kids and do whatever you want, why are so few people going to be destined now? It's because there are only a very few people who go through that journey and who won't lose their value along the way. If watching or reading was enough, then YouTube would be enough for us. How many videos are there on YouTube saying, do you want to be a millionaire or how to be a billionaire? And how many people actually get there? They don't. Reason is because people need someone else. They need a guide, they need a mentor in their life. And if you want to have the level of impact that you want to have before you leave this earth, nothing's going to come easy to you.